Hello everyone, what's up? It's your boy Citizen C here, aka Scruff McGruff. We're going to do a quick walk around video of this 1979 Datsun 280Zx. We got it for sale. She is a parts car for obvious reasons, you will see why. No title, no keys. But if you want to get this thing on the road and titled, you can go the long way around, get the old court order deal from your local state, which is like 15-20 bucks, telling them to have DMV give you a title in your name, or you can do the Vermont rule, which is faster, a little more expensive, but they title everything. So anyway, let's do a little quick walk around video and we'll see how much we're asking for it. Not too familiar what kind of wheels those are, but I think they're either center lines or American Racing. Anyway, I will air the tires up. She will need to be towed. She doesn't run, obviously, for people who keep asking. Does that car run? No, it don't run. Look at it. Alright, she is a non-turbo automatic, by the way. Like I said, she's a parts car, so that door panel must have been nice back in the day. Obviously, this one on this side melted off. Yeah, so anyway. That's the interior. I did lift this up to see what the underpanel looks like. It looks pretty soft from what I can see, as far as I can get underneath there. I'm not taking none of that crap out. Anyway, the last registered on the road in 2002. Indiana car. Datsun 280Zx by Nissan. This is the switchover year. Speaking of which, there it is, 1278 build date. HS130 127258 for your number crunchers out there. Comes with the shadow louvers. I don't think they're shadow louvers, but it was the 80s, you know what I mean. This door, unfortunately, is locked. Don't want to reach over there and grab the handle right now, but let's get to the good part. The engine is fully intact. Nothing but so far as I can see. Battery tray area is nice and clean. Well, no, take that back. There's a little bit of rust through down there, if you can see that. Where the motor turns freely, I don't know. I haven't been able to roll the car or anything like that. For obvious reasons, he was on a flat when I got it. She is a non-turbo. Hood definitely need to be replaced. But she's been hit, as you can obviously see in the front quarter panel right there. So whatever happened to her, she was in a crash. And somebody hit her pretty hard. I guess somebody thought it was cool to stand on the hood. For whatever reason they did that. But anyway, the engine's there, so if you need a spare engine, headlights, taillights, whatever else you guys want to get out this car for parts. She's a good parts car, so. Front frame does seem to be in good shape. So anyway, I hate to see this baby in the condition she's in. HS 30-127-258. I'm sorry, HS 130-127-258. So I had the VIN ran by the police. She comes with a bill of sale from the previous owner to me. I will also provide you a bill of sale, all the other good stuff. So as you can see, the floors are, yeah, floors are, what is that? That's a cross member or something, got crushed in there. Yeah, floors obviously need to be replaced. So she is a true legit parts car. So if you want to get this baby, she's a parts car. Do not make any assumptions of getting her back on the road unless you want to put in some actual work. You know what I mean? So rocker panels seem to be decent considering the rest of the car. Front wheel well. That's the front wheel well on the driver's side. Back rear wheel, driver's side. I know everybody wants to know what the wheel wells look like, so I'm trying to do these things where I get to the pictures I know everybody wants. They're buying a car they can't actually see in person. Alright, sorry about that, you guys. I accidentally turned my phone off. Alright, so I'm gonna walk around the other side of the car here. Some pictures up the bottom. The back. Gas tank, not too bad. Okay, rear wheel well, passenger side. And the obvious front wheel well, passenger side. Now let's get under the car. See what we got going on here. Well, okay, there's that. Like I said, the floor is pretty much donezo on this car. So she's good for parts. That's about it. Make no illusions. And she is a parts car. Alright, y'all. That concludes the tour of our 78 280Z parts car. We are located in Indianapolis, Indiana. We can help with shipping and all that jazz. I do have a 1980 280Zx 5-speed that's in better shape. We're going to do a video on that next. And really, I'll do a package deal with this one and the red car you'll see in the next video, which I will link in the description below. So if you're interested in this car, hit us up on our email at jpanggt01@gmail.com. That's JPANGT, the number 0 and the number 1 at gmail.com. Crap, keep turning my phone off. All right, so as I was saying, you can reach us at JPANGT, the number 0 and the number 1, JPANGT01 at gmail.com. We're asking $1,500 for this one, or best offer. So if you're interested in this car, hit us up in the email and we'll get back at you. Anyway, I will catch you guys on the next video. Citizen Z signing out. Later.